Hi everyone, I've now been in Orlando for a little over a week, and now I'd really like to show you what it's like to stay in the house we've rented. And if we look over at the house, you can also see the car we've rented. During this time, I've driven in that car to places like Disney World, gone shopping, and stuff like that. Now let's go inside and check out the house. Follow along. I'd like to start by showing my room. The bathroom is over there. This is where I'm staying, and this is the bed I've been sleeping in. It's pretty decent, not the best, but not the worst either. And there's a sliding sheet underneath. If you're familiar with a sliding sheet, it works pretty well when my assistants need to turn me on the side. These are something you need to bring from home. Now I'll show you the rest of the house.
All right, heading up to the second floor to show the rooms there. So, this is my room. It's pretty big and has a TV, and with a view over the pool. Lots of space for clothes. And there's a nice bathroom, too.
Now you've seen the two rooms. Let's move on to the next room I'd like to show you. There's the washing machine and dryer, and to my right there's a pool table. Further down there's storage for the various assistive devices. There are also different shower chairs, and behind that there's an Xbox and several games.
And what's this right here, hanging on the wall?
These are the chargers and batteries for the lifts I use to get into the pool and into bed.
You want to have a look in this room here?
Yes. If my wheelchair breaks down or something happens where I need a manual wheelchair, there is one. It's of a simpler kind, but it's there and available. Disney pictures, videos about my visit to Disney World will be coming to my channel in a few days, but I also love this Harry Potter picture here, and I'll be visiting Universal Studios to experience even more Harry Potter magic. I'm thinking of showing you the room with the largest bathroom, which is designed for people with disabilities like me. Now we come to my sister's room, which really should have been mine. Because they mistakenly put the bed I needed in the wrong room, I couldn't get it. But that doesn't change the fact that it's a big and beautiful room with a large, equally beautiful bathroom. And right next to the bed, there's a sliding door leading to the pool, so you don't have to walk through the whole house while you're wet. You can just go through the room and straight to the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom so you can see how it's set up. Right here by the door is a shower bed for those who need to lie down while bathing if they can't use a shower chair. Otherwise, the bathroom is easy to move around in, with a shower chair, wheelchair, lift, and everything you need. I just spotted the pool through the window, so now I'd like to show you the rest of the house on our way out to it. We'll head back to the entrance, which also serves as the dining room, and then we'll go into the open kitchen, which is connected to the living room. Here we can be seen cooking together for everyone else. I had the pleasure of tasting a little of it. It's always a fun time with my little sister. It was super nice. Here's the translation. Inside the living room, you can access two other rooms, and I just wanted to show you the one that is closest to the pool. Now I will drive out to the pool itself and show you how I get into the water. Then I will try to show you the lift itself. Afterwards, I would like to show you that I can swim. Here's the translation. This is the lift. You can see the seat here. And over there is my life jacket, which provides buoyancy, so I don't need floaties. It also comes with a neck collar that supports my head. Now I will get into the water, and it's sure to be cold but still nice in this heat. I want to thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. The next video will show you a bit of Disney World, but mostly how I could get onto different rides. Some of them were super easy to get on, where I could stay in my wheelchair. Others were a bit more complicated and challenging, but you will also see how I could get around Disney World. See you in the next video.